If this is your first hackathon with LabLab and you have absolutely no idea where to start, this is your complete walkthrough. From registering for a hackathon to submitting your project. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Hackathon registration. First, go to lablab.ai and at the top, click on AA Hackathons. This will show you the full list of currently open hackathons. Browse through them, choose the one that you want to join, and click on it to open the hackathon page. Once you're there, click Enroll Now. You'll need to fill a screening form straight after that. Once done, within 24 hours, you'll receive an approval email, and you're officially ready to build. If you don't have a LabLab account yet, you'll be prompted to sign up. Check your email, enter the verification code, and complete your profile by adding your name, last name, and username. Click Continue, and boom, you're officially enrolled. Step 2. Connect your Discord. All of the LabLab hackathons use Discord for communication, so scroll to the team section and click the blue button to create or join a team. If your Discord isn't connected yet, you'll be prompted to connect it. Log into your Discord account and authorize access. If your profile isn't fully completed, you can finish it now or save it later by clicking Save. Without connecting your Discord, you won't be able to continue with team creation. So, step 3. Create or join a team. Here's something very important. You must create or join a team in order to submit your project later. On most hackathons, teams can have from 1 to 6 members. And yes, even if you're hacking solo, you still need to create one-person team. As your Discord is connected, the button will change to Create a new team. So you can join an existing team or create your own one. If you're building alone, just create a team with yourself as the only member. And once your team is created, you're officially ready to build. Step 4. Submit your project. When your project is ready, go to your team page and click Submit Project. Now you'll fill in all the project details. First, write a short summary, then write a longer description, minimum 100 words. Be clear about what your project does and what problem it solves. Next, select your track. Some hackathons have special tracks. If yours does, make sure you select the correct one so judges know what category your project belongs to. Then, choose relevant categories that clearly describe your project. Add the technologies you used and click Next Step. Now you upload your assets. A cover image, a video presentation. This must be an actual uploaded MP4 file, not a link. Make sure to keep it under 5 minutes and under 300 megabytes. Then, your presentation slides. It can be a full PDF deck or even a one-pager, totally up to you. And of course, your GitHub repository link. If there is a demo application link, add that as well. Once everything is filled, just click Submit. And now you're officially a hacker.